Guess who's back? Back again.
Waffles back.
Tell a friend. Guess who's back? 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 Guess who's back?
Waffles back.
What is up, wafflers and wafflettes? Waffinator here, and guess what? I got another unboxing video for you in May. That's 2 in 1 month. You want to know how that happened? This is how it happened.
Please, sir, I want some more.
What?
Please, sir, I want some more.
That's right. Video Games Monthly did a flash sale, and all you had to do was respond saying, "May I have another?" Get it? Because it's May. And you just got another box. I mean, you got to pay for your subscription. But 2 boxes in 1 month. It's like Christmas in May. Anyways, sorry for not talking too loud. It's like 11:30. Actually, it's like midnight. And I've been up since 4 a.m. And then I gotta go back to work at 5 a.m. tomorrow. I'm gonna hurt. Apparently worse than my fingers because I can't even open this goddamn package. Wow. I need to start eating my Wheaties. Alright. Box number 2 for May 2019. Let's see what we got. Puts that way so I can't see what I get. Feel around. Oh no shit. They got a bracelet for this month's little goodie giveaway. Actually, I still got my blue and red one somewhere. That's great. I love the bracelets. Reminds me of like high school. A popular thing back then. Yeah, a 2-up. That means on top of this month, oh, in this box is 2 extra games. So instead of getting 3, I'm gonna get 5. Game number 1. Oh, I'm just so excited now. The update your library card, so you know you don't get duplicates. I don't mind duplicates, so let's see what we got. The Walking Dead Survival Instinct for Xbox 360. Is that the one that had like Norman Reedus in it? It is. I played this one. It wasn't too bad, but it's a good game. I like adding that to my collection. I do like the Telltale games ones though. What's in game number 2? Oh no shit! It's a little underrated, but I love Shadow. I never played the game. Shadow the Hedgehog for Nintendo GameCube. I never played the game, but I love all the Sonic characters. So I'm looking forward to trying that one out. Game number 3. SmackDown vs. Raw 2010 for the Nintendo Wii. I'm a big time old school wrestling fan. I kind of stopped watching it, but I do like still playing the games. It's not as lame as the show, so it's okay, I guess. Tomb Raider 3 Adventures of Lara Croft for PlayStation 1. What's funny is me and a coworker were just talking about how he hasn't been able to beat the new Tomb Raider yet, and he's getting a little upset. And I was like, look, Tomb Raider, I played those games when I was on PlayStation, the original Tomb Raider. That shit was hard. Siphon Filter, Dark Mirror, PS2, and it seems to be sealed. Like, I can't tell if that's like it feels legit. So that's pretty cool. I like the Siphon Filter games. I personally haven't tried this exact Siphon Filter game though. Siphon Filter Dark Mirror for PS2. So you know what? That seal's gonna have to come off, because guess what? I'm gonna try this one. IGN's 2006 PSP Game of the Year comes to the PlayStation 2 system. No way. Remastered for the PlayStation 2. This is actually kind of cool, dude. I have a hard time picking my favorite game from this box. I'm kind of curious what you guys say. For you know what, for once, I'm going to tell you to leave a comment of what your favorite game in my box was. It makes conversation, and that's why I do these, to have conversations. So we got Siphon Filter Dark Mirror for PS2. Tomb Raider 3 Adventures of Lara Croft for PlayStation 1. SmackDown vs. Raw 2010 for Nintendo Wii. Shadow the Hedgehog for Nintendo GameCube. And last but not least, AMC's The Walking Dead Survival Instinct for Xbox 360. I don't know which one. I'm having a hard time picking. You know what? I'm gonna go with Shadow. Just because I'm a huge Sonic fan. I haven't played it, but it's GameCube. And GameCube had, if I remember correctly, some pretty good Sonic games. So, yeah. That's box number 2 for May 2019. Till then, oh wow. Till next time, Waffinator out.
This looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, 'cause we need a little controversy, 'cause it feels so empty without me.
Waffles back.